Okay, the feature we're going to review now is called our view mode. It's unique in the industry. There's not a lot of controllers that actually have this ease of troubleshooting for a tool. So what we do is we come in and you can see I've got my 24 zone application set up. 12 zones are turned off. I have 11 zones in view mode and 1 zone in auto mode. And I'm going to go ahead and just trigger this, put these all back in view. And we can copy and paste that mode to all the zones in a group or all the zones in a column. What we're looking for, you can see here, we're just at ambient temperature. So we're reading our thermocouples, and that's all we're doing at this point. What you would do if you were in a tool room is you would turn on a zone. You'd go to auto, set, and you'd hit run. And I'm going to go ahead and stop it because we're not connected to a tool. But when you hit run, if you see another zone going up in temperature, you have a miswired tool. And if that happens, you can go over to zones and reestablish which thermocouple that zone looks at if it's an immediate requirement. Ideally, you would go ahead and actually rewire your tool and fix the problem. But if you don't have time for that, our controller allows you to go in and reassign the thermocouple. So view mode is just something that is super easy for people to troubleshoot if they don't know how a tool is wired, or just to double check and make sure everything's wired correctly. So that's all.